such a cutie.
And today is 31st. Make transfer to this. Team Calorie Crushers.
Yes, sir.
Hi guys, how are you all doing? Today has been so super busy, far more than I expected. I'm about to have first meal of the day. Let me quickly put on my microphone, y'all. Okay, testing the microphone. I just finished taking my bath, so welcome to weight loss series. I hope you guys can hear me. See, today has been so super busy for me. I didn't project my day to be this busy today. Anyways, I'm having my first meal of the day. Today should be day 23rd, right? I'm making this video on the 29th of January. I started on the 6th, so today should be 23rd. Anyways, look at what I'm having. Okra soup. I added very little oil because I can't eat okra soup with oilless okra soup. Okay, but then the portion control is, yeah. I'm going to give you guys a closer view as usual, you know. So let me just get into eating right away. Okay, this looks so sumptuous, believe me. I just finished filming a video and I want to order for skincare products from Tika 4. Okay, yeah, so let's just get this out of the way. I'm reading reviews. Okay, you guys take a look. So I'm on the Tika 4 website. I'm reading reviews actually because I'm very interested in treatment products because I'm having hyperpigmentation. If you look clearly, right, you can see this right here. So I'm having hyperpigmentation and I just need treatment products for that will target acne and give me this plump face, you know, like makes my skin plump, like you don't have to see any pores. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Then I also want to get, I think I should take this up. I also want to get body products. Ole or Ole? Ole. What's the correct pronunciation? Ole. I want to get one of them. I want to get the vitamin C body moisturizer and the retinol, the both of them. So let me quickly show you guys. Okay, only retinol 24 and then only vitamin C, this right here, and only vitamin C. I also want to get this annual. Is it annual? Annual. I would think it's annual because it's ANUA. Alright, it should be a face serum. And then bright and clear acne product. What's the name again? So I usually use Bioderma for my face as my face wash. You see that little, you see this hyperpigmentation here and here. They're the things I want to treat. Okay, annual niacinamide 10% plus TXA, which should be tranexamic acid. Okay, yeah, I think I want to get this. This is 21k just for one product. Okay, then Jumiso snail mucin. At first I don't know if I should go with Cos, but a bit Core X or Cos X, but I think I should go with Jumiso. Then touch bright and clear. None of you guys can see it. Touch bright and clear. You may not be able to see it. And clear cream, that yellow one, you should know it. Then what else? Fix facts. So as I was saying, right, regarding my face wash, I do use Bioderma. Maybe I should try out Face Facts. But Bioderma and Isis Pharma are my best two brands to go for when it comes to face wash. When it comes to vitamin C serum, please, you can argue with your ancestors. Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum does it for me. I know a lot of people belittle that product, but for me, it just works. Okay, I've used advanced clinicals, and I can tell you that I reserve my comments, but I would choose Dr. Rachel. I just feel like it suits my skin so much, and I notice significant difference the moment I you know, the moment I start using it, like at least for the first 3 4 weeks, okay, before it finishes. But I would say the one that is more efficient is actually the eye serum, Dr. Rachel eye serum. I basically use it as my vitamin C because it hits the right spot. Okay, but I'm also considering purchasing another type of vitamins. I just want to explore skincare products, another type of vitamin C, but not advanced clinicals because I don't like it. I just feel like it didn't do anything much for me, so there was no need to repurchase. So, you guys, I'm currently watching reviews on YouTube regarding the Touch Bright and Clear cream, this very yellow cream. Because I sincerely do not want any cream that will irritate my skin. I don't need it to get worse before it gets better. No, it has to get better than this. You get my point? I don't have that patience, and I don't want to wake up knowing that there is something I introduced into my routine that just upsets the whole system or that just caused me irritation. I don't want that. Okay? Look at my problems. These things, can you see? I just need a treatment product in my routine. I usually use mandelic acid, but I mean, again, is to explore sometimes. But I try me to remember who you get. Yeah.
That is still. Okay. So basically, selling money, getting more.
Yo, it's already late. So I want to place my order. I've been going on and off watching reviews. That's bright, clear and clear cream. I don't think I'll be getting it anymore. The reviews are just so scary. I just took it off my cart right now. More lights is required. Hold on. Placing my order at ticker 4. I've not bought any product from them before, but my friend Oni, she usually buys from them, and they're a very good brand. So yeah, when the product gets here, I'll definitely show you guys. Okay, it says 3 to 4 working days, so we're hoping this product gets here by what time? Today is the 29th of January, so we're hoping this gets here by maybe 1st February or 2nd, give or take. All right, I got an email, confirmation email. Expected delivery date is on the 5th of February, Wednesday, 5th of February. So that should be by next week. Still okay, not bad at all. All right, you guys, when the product gets here, I'll show you all. Okay. Hi, Carrie.
Hi.
It's been a walk.
How is it? Today was like, what do we call it? Fire brigade walk. See how I'm sweating? Can you see me? Can you see all this sweat?
Yeah.
Fat is crying.
Yes, so Team Calorie Crushers. Hi, today is the 30th of January. We started a workout challenge on the 6th of January. This is what we currently look like. That means today should be 24th, day 24. Right?
Yes, it is.
This is what we look like. Hey yo, I got my package from T4. I just ordered 2 days ago. That was on Wednesday. Today is Friday, and my order is right here already. These are the kind of brands I love. I'm telling you, these are the type of brands that make you want to go all out because they don't give you issues at all. You make your order smoothly right on the website, and they get it delivered to you. You don't have to engage customer care for any sort of drama and all that. As a matter of fact, I was expecting this next week, on the 5th of February, but no. Order was made on the 29th of January, and today is 31st, and I have my order right here. Tika 4. This is my first time patronizing them, and I'm beginning to wonder, where have I been buying my skincare products? Like, this is not an ad, please. I'm just being very honest with my review. Look at this. I haven't seen my package yet, but I'm just so super impressed with the speed of delivery, the agility associated with the brand. Okay, anyways, my friend Oni has been shopping from Tika 4 for a very long time, and I decided to patronize them, and I realized something, right? In as much as their website is really user friendly, their prices are also affordable when compared to other stores that I usually buy from, and other supermarkets. Anyways, let's quickly unbox. Okay, why is my mic misbehaving of recent? I have no idea, so check. It means see brightening body lotion, visibly bright and radiant skin. Okay, I heard they changed their packaging, so anyways, as long as it's from Tika 4, this retinol, ole retinol, ole whatever attitude. Okay, this is Jumiso snail mucin, okay, and peptide. What else do I have here? I have the annual niacinamide serum with TXA, okay, and this, I have hydroquinone here for spot treatments like this hyperpigmentation here. You can see this one here. Look at this newborn baby hair, she looks so cute. You guys, that's all I purchased. Let me just, can you see that like that? Wait, this way. Kickstarting my skincare journey with Tika 4, even though I've always had a routine, but then because I'm purchasing for the first time from them, right? Let me just all right.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging.
That's how I change my world.
The angels bow down at the thought of you.
Just breathe the name upon me, breathe.
You're such a cutie.
Just let him go.
What's your name?
Just let him go.
Is that me? Is it for sale? Is it for sale? I'm telling you.
Team Calorie Crushers.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hello guys, good evening. Today is the 26th. Oh my goodness. Today is the 26th of the 75 days challenge. Yeah, and today's date is 2nd of February. This is what we look like. We're still going strong. We're still going strong, like me and Caris. In fact, we found a new workout partner. Yes. Tick, tick, tick. Okay, quick one before I get late. This is what we currently look like.
Sorry, just stand where you are. Just be where you are.
My pot belly is still there, you know, just a bit, but we're making progress. It's not a bit, but I'm trying to encourage myself. This is what we look
Give
like.
me your side view.
Side view is like this. Breathe in, out. Okay.
Back view.
Like this. Bye guys, bye, we don't have time.